Today, allow me the privilege to take you through the success story of DPS International. The story that began in 2010 with a very humble beginning. Though the beginning was humble, the determination was strong. The resolution was high. The dream was big. The establishment of DPSI by Mr. Mukesh Takwani is not by mere coincidence, but it is a work of passion. It is a work of zeal, dedication. You can sense the passion when you hear the video yourself.
This is an organization which is a passion-driven organization. Education is something which is very close to our heart. We believe that this is a profession where you have to give not 100%, 101%, making sure that each and every child, progresses from where it enters into the school, So whether it is academically or whether it is into the extracurricular activity, we try to see what is the best into the child and we try to promote that one into the different way.
I now proudly present a few crown and glory moments of our school. Firstly, the academic achievement. Academic excellence is our greatest strength, and here we acknowledge the effort of our dedicated teachers for giving their best to the institution and delivering the best results at the IGCSE and the A-levels. Here are some key highlights. Master Vishal Takwani wins the overall best A-level student at the British Council PSGN Awards. We get the overall best A-level school 2019 at the British Council PSGN Awards. We again get the overall best IGCSE School of the Year 2021. We again get the overall best IGCSE Student of the Year 2021. And the legacy continues as we got the overall best IGCSE School of the Year 2024 by the British Council PSGN. We have been back-to-back winners of the International School of the Year for Exemplary Leadership in Education. This award presented by the National Customers' Choice Awards, Ghana, winning this award consecutively both for the years 24 and 25 has reaffirmed our reputation as one of the premier educational institutions in Ghana. We've always believed in preparing leaders for tomorrow, so we give enough scope for our students to participate in a number of competitions, both local and international, where our children come back with glittering trophies and happy smiles. Let me start with our crown and glory, the National Spelling Bee Competition. The National Spelling Bee Competition winners for 2014, 2015, 2019, 2022 and 2023. The legacy still continues because this year, 2024, our student Anika Mansingh was there in the top 10 finalists. Our Spelling Bee star, Nadom Darko Asare, has been given full scholarship in the US to pursue her further studies because of her performance in the Spelling Bee. These are our prestigious awards that have been received by the Spelling Bee organizers, that have been given to us by the Spelling Bee organizers. The Beekeeper Award, we've also got the Spelling Bee Championship Award, and also the recognition for keeping the greatest number of spellers in the semi-finals of 2023. We now go to the International Olympiads. Well, our students participate in a number of competitions like the IJSO, the Wanda Science, we have the International Economics Olympiads, the UC Mass, the SASMO. It significantly boosts their academic and career prospects and helps them gain international exposure. Recently, one of our students, Miss Anna Taylor, won the runner-up position in the stock pitch presentation at the Cambridge Economic and Finance competition. She also won the gold honor at the International Physics Realm and a distinction award at the International Chemistry Quiz. To tell you the truth, there are a number of awardees in the International Olympiads. We'll have to hold a special assembly for giving away all the awards. Coming on to MUN. In Harvard MUN Kenya in 2024, more than 15 students traveled to Kenya and made remarkable achievements. They have won the Best Delegate Awards, as you can see here, that Srirang Chandan Kede, Prekshika and Nana Kwame Osei Tutu who gets the Honorable Mention Award. Abhinaya and Sayanthan get the Diplomatic Recognition Award. The tradition of excellence continues into 2025 as Indrani Bhattacharjee is honored with the prestigious Best Delegate Award at the Dubai MUN. At the recent AIS MUN, Prasanna Chandan Kende won the Best Delegate Award where he had registered as a private candidate. DPSI student-led MUNs held every year leaves students with new insights and more than anything else, the confidence to face the world beyond the conference rooms. Coming up next is the National Orators. We have been the privileged winners at the Orators competition in the year 21, 22, 23, 24, and definitely forever. The awards in the National Sports Competition. We have been the ISAC Inter-School Champions several times in badminton and football and table tennis and swimming and basketball, and also at the Ghana Inter-School Sports Festival. And we are very proud of our coaches for their diligent training that they provide to the sports enthusiastic students. We are very proud of our chess champions, Rhythm and Manum. This sister-brother duo are really remarkable. Rhythm won the Africa School Individual Chess Championship 23 and 24 under the girls category, representing the continent Africa in the World School Chess Championship in Greece in 2023. In August 2025, she received the most active female player in chess in Ghana from Ghana Chess Association. Manum, her brother, was placed second in the Africa Individual School Chess Championship in 2024. Coming up to the Business Cup Challenge. It was introduced by Lancaster University to provide a platform to business enthusiastic students to showcase their innovative ideas while analyzing critical business scenarios and implementing business plans. Our students have participated in the year 24 and 25. In 2024, they were the second runner-up position with a cash prize of 5,000 Ghana cedis, and they have won the first runner-up in 2025 with a cash prize of 15,000 cedis. And our Moses, who is the HOD of Commerce and Economics Department, has promised you all in this ceremony that this year's award is also coming to us, and not just the first runner-up, the first position. The Toyota Dream Car Contest. In this global art contest, DPSI students have been winners at the national level and international level since the year 2017. Coming up to the Sharks Quiz. Our school's name is etched on the Sharks Quiz Wall of Fame for winning the competition back-to-back in 2023 and 2024. The Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition, the world's largest international writing competition for schools by the Royal Commonwealth Society. These are our winners, and every year our students participate in large numbers, and they do us proud. Coming up next is the British Council Your World Video Competition, which is a global video competition where British Council schools over 40 countries, they participate. Here students focus on engaging the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and they create videos presenting solutions for a more sustainable future. In the year 24-25, in the Your World Video Competition, DPSI students have won the first runner-up position at the national level in Ghana. We have won this coveted award before on the year 2022. At DPSI, we recognize that students have innate talents. It's the duty of the school to give wings to their aspirations and talents and hone their skills. Therefore, we create a lot of opportunities within the academic calendar to participate in various concerts, various competitions, project-based activities, exhibitions, to make every student realize their dreams and to make every student feel valued. Here are some of the enrichment programs marked on the academic calendar every year. The Inter-House Music Competition, the theatre productions, massive productions like The Happy Prince and Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, the HOSA Awards, that is the Head of State Awards, the Duke of Edinburgh, the Club Expedition. This is the Happy Prince that you can see, where almost 480 students had participated here at the National Theatre. This is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, which again, there were about 400 students who participated in it. And this year, we are coming up with a play, just wait and watch. It's definitely going to rock you. This is the HOSA Club expedition, where our children get the advantage of going and living with nature for a day or two. We also have our science exhibitions. As you can see, each and every child participates. These are our special assemblies where we do not ignore them. Every day is a celebration. Every day is a platform for our students to understand the importance of soft skills and communication. We also have the science exhibition. As you can see, every child, if there are 1,000 students will participate in the science exhibition, and it has been happening for the past 3 years. The next is giving back to the society. That is, we encourage our students to do a lot of donations, to participate in voluntary activities, and also we conduct a lot of programs, community engagement programs like community cleanups and health walks, etc. I must not forget to mention that our students who have passed A-level and IBDP successfully are now at prestigious universities like the Harvard, Imperial, Yale, and many more. As I come to an end of sharing with you a long list of the school's notable achievements, I would like to sincerely acknowledge all our parents for entrusting your little precious treasures in our hands, because without your support, we would not have been able to rise to such great heights. We are also thankful to the management for their guidance, always, and being the backbone for doing the best. And with your support and cooperation, I am very confident that our success stories will run into pages and pages year after year, because it challenges us to raise the bar of excellence, to work harder towards attaining higher standards of excellence. Let me end with this beautiful quote. Every success story is a tale of constant adaptation, revision, and change by Sir Richard Branson. And so, ladies and gentlemen, the DBSI success story continues. Thank you.